Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to turn sleep mode on and off on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So first of all, swipe down, find your settings tab, click here, in this tab find mode section, click on the mode section, find sleep mode tab, click on it, and press turn it on. Now if sleep mode is on, to turn it off, press turn off. So, if you have synchronization enabled, sleep mode will also activate on your Galaxy phone. Now, to set up an automatic activation of the sleep mode, simply go to your sleep mode tab and find set on phone. Let's click it. This will automatically transfer you to your Galaxy wearable app. So here, turn on as scheduled, press it here, or press it here one more time to toggle it off. So here you can set the days when your bedtime mode will activate automatically. For example, let's set it on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's also add our Thursday. And we can set a schedule of the bedtime mode. So for example, let's set it on 9 AM and let's set the end. Just simply click here on 11 AM. Press done. Now your schedule is set. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.